Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Saurabh Pawar. Today we will discuss about the clinical trial agreement and clinical trial disclosure. Firstly, we talk about the clinical trial agreement. The purpose of clinical trial agreement is legally binding contract or agreement that outlines the terms and conditions under which a clinical trial will be conducted. It is typically established between the sponsor of the clinical trial and the institution or investigator conducting the research. The content of clinical trial agreement is it includes details such as scope of study, responsibilities of the parties involved, financial agreement, intellectual property rights, liability, and confidentiality provisions. It clarifies how the trial will be conducted, how risks and benefits will be shared. The importance of clinical trial agreement are crucial for ensuring that all the parties involved in the clinical trial and understand their roles, obligations. They help to protect the interest of both the sponsor and the investigator or institution, ensuring compliance with the regulatory requirements and ethical standards. Let's talk about the second one topic, clinical trial disclosure. The purpose of clinical trial disclosure refers to the process of making information about a clinical trial, its design, results, and other relevant data available to the public and regulatory authorities. The primary goal is to enhance transparency and accountability in clinical research. The content of clinical trial disclosure includes registering clinical trials in public database such as clinicaltrials.gov.com and providing detailed information about the trial protocol, outcomes, adverse event and result. It may also involve publishing research findings in scientific journals. The importance of clinical trial disclosure is essential for ethical and regulatory reasons. It allows the patients and healthcare provider to access information about ongoing and completed trials, helps to prevent the publication bias, and supports evidence-based decision making. Regulatory agencies such as the FDA often require trial sponsor to the disclosure certain trial information to the public. In summarized form, the clinical trial agreement establishes the legal framework for conducting clinical trials, while clinical trial disclosure ensures that the information about the trials and their results is made accessible to the public and relevant authorities. Both aspects are critical for transparency, integrity, and responsible conduct of clinical trial. That's all about the clinical trial disclosure and clinical trial agreement. Thank you.